everyone, Zach Pickoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 15-4 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 15-4 work together. In the last video, I read over the 15-4 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 15-4 work together, where we will be preparing a balance sheet for a corporation. So the instructions say, use Interstate Tire's worksheet and Statement of Stockholders' Equity from Work Together 15-3. A form for the balance sheet is given in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following examples. Number 1, prepare a balance sheet for the current year. Alright, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 15-4 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 15-4 work together, in which we will be preparing a balance sheet for a corporation. Alright, so that is the end of the 15-4 Work Together. In the next video, I will be going over the 16-1 text. Okay? Thank you!